Hello there. Yes, today's video is to discuss about a very distressing situation. No, I'm not talking about the virus. Okay, virus is here. God only knows when it's going to go. God only will do whatever has to be done now. What we can do is wash our hands, wear our masks, maintain social distance, and do some meditation and relax. Okay? No, I'm not talking about that. I'm talking about something else. Yeah. It's about Dettol, the antiseptic liquid. Not the disinfectant, not the green thing, not the blue thing, the brown one. You take little Dettol and put in water, and it looks like it becomes white, like some cloudy looking thing. You play with it. Same Dettol that when you were a kid and you used to get hurt and you got any boo boos, mommy would take cotton, put little Dettol, wipe it, and same Dettol liquid. Okay, same Dettol. You have babies, wash the baby's clothes separately, and then dip it in Dettol water. Same Dettol which you put in your bathing water and have a bath. Sometimes you even wipe your floor with Dettol. Sometimes people put it even in the commode. Why? Antiseptic, germ killer. Now, this is missing. You just cannot find Dettol antiseptic liquid anywhere. Even off the shelf, even that 10 or 20 rupees small bottles, that is also not found. Go to a chemist, माल नहीं आ रहा है, stock नहीं है. You try online, out of stock, unavailable. So I said, let me ask Dettol only directly. I went on their Facebook page where they make these big fat posts about Dettol antiseptic liquid. I asked, bhai, where are y'all? We are not getting only. No answer. Zero answers. It's like when you go to your boss and you ask him something, no, which he doesn't want to answer. There'll be zero reply. Same. Dettol. No response at all. It's quite interesting. Dettol, no response at all. So that's the thing. It's a mystery. I want to get someone on this case quickly, yeah? Because I miss Dettol. Honestly, I really miss it. And during this rainy season especially, I need Dettol. Okay? So if any one of you have any information on where Dettol antiseptic liquid has gone, please let us know, yeah. We are a little worried. And it's like we're missing Dettol. Antiseptic should be put on those milk cartons, missing on from so and so date. If found, please inform. Yeah, but that's it. So if you get any information, let us know. Any information. I have tried online. Only Apollo is, I think, having some in stock, but I don't know which Apollo this is. Okay, and which part of India Apollo is able to deliver it. Otherwise, you're not getting it anywhere. Unless one of you is stocking it and hoarding it, please share. So Pooja, I hope you're okay with this video. Okay, and even if you get any information, please share. Bye.